Hi everyone, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'll be taking you through the 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This particular 270 is equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower motor. That's the new V8 naturally aspirated. It's done in ivory interior with gray sea deck. Take a walk with me inside the cockpit. Beautiful white painted tower, upgraded stereo, Simrad GPS nav unit. What's really special about this particular one, aside from the spacious head compartment, is that this one is done in gunmetal flake. So on the outside, you can't see it in this video, but if you check out my pictures, you can see the gunmetal flake. It just sparkles, and it really sets this particular 270 Sun Deck outboard apart from all the rest. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of our other inventory here at MarineMax Clearwater, please reach out to me at 803-760-0609, and don't forget to like and subscribe.